Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If your Windows 11 taskbar freezing and freeze, so how to resolve? So first guys, click to start, type. You can otherwise type like I show you in the keyboard. Shift, Control Shift Escape, Control Shift and press Escape. After that it will open taskbar. Okay, task manager. Then find out Explorer, full screen it. Find out Explorer, select this, select and click on restart, and then wait few seconds, it will remove and then it will come back and then close it. Okay, then next click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator. So this command for the repair the Windows system file. Okay, this one, and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage. Okay, after this complete, then run next, then enter this one sfc/scannow and then hit enter and minimize it. Then next perform clean boot, click to start, type run and then hit enter. After the type ms config and then click to OK. After that click on services, hide all services and then click on disable all and then apply and then click to OK. Then click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator. This is next command. Okay, then type this and then hit enter. This command I will give in descriptions or comment, then you can enter. This is 100% working command. Okay, and then now your Windows Explorer is stopped. So when you enter start Windows Explorer Explorer.exe, after that it will start again. Now you can see buffering. Yeah, so it is start again and then close it. Then click to start and then restart your system. Okay, and if you are facing any issue, then check out the description Google form and fill out for the more support, and you can also share your issue, so after that I can create video. Okay, thank you.